Hello everyone, welcome back to Ife's Kitchen. I'll be showing you 2 ways to make avocado oil. Stay tuned. For the first method, we'll be extracting the oil by sieving dried avocado. So we need ripe avocado. I'll be cutting the avocado into two. I'll be scooping out the avocado flesh. I've been blending the avocado with a hand blender. Spreading the avocado on a baking tray because I'm going to dry it on the sun. Allow the avocado to dry on the sun for about 3 days. You can see that the avocado have dried properly. I will scrape it off from the pan. We'll be using the double boiling method to warm up the avocado oil. I notice after double boiling, it helps to release the oil in the avocado so that I can squeeze it easily. So I will start to squeeze the dry avocado. I'll be putting the oil into a bowl. You can see it looks so easy because of the double boiling method I used. I will squeeze it so hard and try to adjust your grip so that you can squeeze and make sure that you get all the oil from the avocado. I will stop squeezing when I notice no oil is coming out. This is the little oil I got from squeezing the avocado. For the second method, you will need avocado or any carrier oil. This method I'll be cooking it to extract the oil. I'll be blending the avocado. I'll be adding some olive oil into the pan. Then I'll add the blended avocado into the oil and stir so that it can mix properly with the oil. Cook on a medium heat and stir occasionally. Keep stirring when you notice that it can start bubbling. Notice that avocado oil is rising on the top. Continue stirring and cooking it. The avocado will change from light green to dark green. Allow to cool. I'll be straining the oil with a cheesecloth. I will squeeze to get out all the oil until no oil is coming out.